Sami Jemfi before obeye dwuma we NDC for ayade ma man yaade NDC for nto mo pese mo kase Sami Jemfi ebecha ade wo krum ha gisi etuaneka in the election all motorbikes across the country no enu mo ehu ni etuaneka wo go board media for mo krum ha nyina mo ka Sami Jemfi asem obian bodua se Sami Jemfi emba TV so for 8 years in opposition or kwa sort boys in out Sami Jemfi sort everybody out media ni bi obeka bibia wabo hu dua because we dibi Sami Jemfi che $800 into wo etumi to car free fia be press conference wo baby mama 2 kwan a otena first class
no
minority for na omo ye press conference no bodua obi anfa na yere ne ma modua say
abutua eduabo come inside agradaa ene eye Sami Jemfi dollar issue no eduabo bom ene Kwame A+ eda no abetum edi nkomo no nso no de wose na asem no wo kana no correct tattoo a no nso de duabo asa asoso wose endra MP before press conference no mo ye no omo pa obebuso omo Cúrse bi omo di agora omo nyina eduabo ono mo bagie anaso omo ankasa emodua na wose in fact Sami Jemfi ade no osi no aboa ne papa ne kwan a afaso aboa no enie
me de Sami Jemfi na me nhira no waya ade waboa me eno me na ma na me hia me constituency fo bi na omo ba honorable ewie mu ye pebi na say mo pesi e pebi nti ne aba so say aban se me ncheska me chemuska wa ha ye de me bako police bo ba cheme e de me de twetwa me ho
na abufia owie no ena se endra MP before press conference omo ye no de ehye na bufuo kese pa aya asem we ya omo ekan ye omo press conference ni mu no.
And yet if you have on your appointee who is doling out dollars, that is serious. And we call on the president, if the president is unable to act on this matter, then the code of conduct must be shredded. It's of no use. It's useless. If the president is unable to act on this matter, Mr. Sami Jemfi, the same provision he used in criticizing Madam Cecilia Dapa.
We ena eye Kwame A+ say asem na chena bufu. Cause womo na omo press conference na se no. Wo there womo. Say, dia wose won che sikada. Na dia wose won che dollar da no. Onfa kosua. Snap. Na won fambro ne ho eye de edua. Na amanfo se an Sami Jemfi kura no ebeye gold board acting eye CEO kura no yentua ne ka. Ono no se obusawo. Say Sami Jemfi no sabi abayense ni sika yira ma Sami Jemfi ayede akwa na omo no omo gina okura ye press conference omo ye MP before no kura no obi sabi ne mpena ni baby eye moda kura no o tu kwan ya o te first class na Sami Jemfi ewo opposition no 8 years no na okwo interviews ewo eye media houses no kura no a omo wi a na ocho obi asika entene wasade eye radio station and TV station for no say obi a wo Sami Jemfi me ye interview on the platform so bia o nche sika bia no omo nyina embobodua owi ye no e na wo ka kire eye NDC for grassroots for say we du om ho ya papa say enei wo mu enene omo yi Sami Jemfi aye de ama e throw no under the bus atese busua omo aye de edin atem wo so no de o support Sami Jemfi papa na Sami Jemfi sha se che sika nyene efritete eno no washa ase abusua wo che eye ni sika abusua wie no wasadi nkomobi edefa ex president another dan Akufo-Addo and current president John Dramani Mahama so yele ka Sami Jemfi video no emra
omampanyini ema 120 days contract with Ghanaians. Didn't see so BHA so ye no ONEGHANA for nyina be kasa and as part of enema na wo ye within the 120 days no a code of conduct. MPP a press conference na about 3-4 days ago and a PMMC now gold board acting chief executive officer lawyer Sami Jemfi eko ye bia sekohia obi nipa esen na de hu se wo kan sika ana dollars na jodi che nipa na hu nsem be ye bo now minority ese saade na lawyer Sami Jemfi aye no ade a etia mana code of conduct no mampanyini e dia ba na chese say de wa ye no from nti ese yinedi as a member of parliament who asemi say
on press conference now we hear the cancer asem I will say no kra na say code conduct on was her press conference na say me nkama asem nwa minority for now we hear press conference no bodua obi anfa na yere ne ma modua say press conference omo ye nyina ye omo ntua na omo tua ma hefo oh twakai me Ghana ha no kra pa na ye problem wo krom ha azan ni like omo ye press conference no omo de na emma abontin o say bia wa mo obi sika enti won che sika mo am ye press conference no mon chesika
omo chama hemfo
obi a wusia na MP me as MP say me be piano pa this I will come bank on back catch the bia me hwe small note nti omo nya small note ye share that from say 2020 about 10 about because wonam kromu a abeya nom nkofo be sra wade you have to dash people
but we don't say $1 so
yen no obi sika ya we ko wi abansika code of conduct na da ho na obi ade ye dede no ya twa wom se wo che obi ade a ye be twa na se wo koje ade a ne
ye che wade more than 20,000 so
ye twa se wo che obi ade a ye problem wo se yen use den na nkrofo mpese ye be use ade a ye friend se emra wa wo use code of conduct no code of conduct ye twa wom se mo obi a nche obi ade me de me same je fi na me nhira no wa ya ade wa boa me eno me na ma na me hia me constituency fo bi na omo ba honorable ewie mu ye pebi me say
mo pesi e pebi
nti ne aba so say abanse ni nche ska me chebu ska wa ha ye de me be ko police bo ba cheme enti say me de twetwa me ho
enti na mo nti mo de bo mo we
na say me mo bi nche obi ade na say what be that obi enam no we share obi na wa che na de how the whole Ghana for 3 days your problem is say obi a che obi ade
but baby so mujina mo dey
me
yentua na ka obeye ejuma no
o so yentua na ka say sami jemfi before obeye ejuma no onte airport hills
no na for say oh sir
sami jemfi before obeye ejuma we NDC for ya de ma mo anya ade NDC for mo anya you're throwing your own person under the bus the youth NDC for youth na mo social media me asama me ka no he wo twa the social media nipa be 10 na be comment on be maybe the whole Ghana kwa brocho bi ahwe me ti me comedy no bi akodi matam family
what do you mean so much throw
you are throwing your person under the bus NDC for mo party mo kase sami jemfi ebecha ade wo krum ha just etua neka in the election all che motorbikes across the country no enu mo ehu ni etua neka wo go board
we say na say on make nya position no odidi no wo position
okay me ba
no odidi
okay me ba the whole Ghana say no me hu say Kristo nti no kure ni krum ha ti say de dua bonko a media for mo krum ha nyina mo ka sami jemfi asem obian bo dua say sami jemfi emba TV so for 8 years in opposition a okwa wa sort boys in out sami jemfi sort everybody out media ni bi obeka bibia wa bo hu dua because we dibi before sami jemfi beba power mo nka no kure me sami jemfi o sham no chebiska ma abeka wa ha so eno me hu sami o chebiska wa wonti ase no
so be kan sa na o san de no san kwa
na wa chebiska more media for no na mo nka no kure na me hu na mo ye story oh we na ba etimi trigger nipa na yakeka nsem na Canadian pon de woni ne yade obekọ akoka woni obi wunim se woni obi ekowia aponche wia wo ka kire nkofo nsa akọwe yo pemponche wia ene aponche wura bete
ye nyina na yakwa
ye nyina ekowia aponche wia wo na ma se o abena de the wia opemponche wia de ene aponche wura bete men kwa kasa abena de woni ne yade na wakoka wo so koka asa asem ne ye den obi enu ho pure water special ICB nam the veins obi aye nipa obi a obebia mekoko a eye ne ya what as a media from okrom ha nyina all of you for 8 years in opposition me feel ha kan ha me feel ni mombo bia say sami jemfi emba studio a ansa sami be fi ho no everybody will be sorted that is Sami Jemfi's life everybody for 8 years in opposition the obi we media ni na Sami Jemfi unya an encounter with him beka hey na mo de obi chese mo pese obi a ti hono na dwe nyina say o twen obi down for Sami Jemfi and Fiase or Fiase a good one here be ma na yeden
that do you think say opposition say Sami Jemfi and Fiase because now what can say
opposition for ya
party
opposition for ya omamboa no omo amoano eno omo ye press conference me hwe opposition for omo gina ye press conference na omo kasa me hwe omo din ba ku wom sami gemfia che $800 into wo etumi to ka free be ye press conference wo baby mama 2 kwan a otena first class
ho ano no
wo baby mama te first class
no na baby mama na kasa ye
oye duma wo to ana oje duma oje na wo baby mama ye duma nti otumi tena first class me sami gemfi de obi a in opposition not airport was lawyer ni Ghana ha ohia ye mo akondo too much ohia ye mo fe enta ma ya ma oman we obi nye skape no de akoto dan wa abrochire because ye mfesika na ntrakura because mo mpe no kre A+ menye sika matomeka metim sisi okoye mpi akoto ka akwa na ote bicycle so na okọ no wato dan wa abrochire mo de na da Ghana for na da ye mo fe too much ubenya Canada Japan me de me politician no me wo sika me sika nie fa eno asa na akwa na onka nkyerɛ so wo sika unim sika owo a wo yembe hyew unim sika owo a enti mo bi a oka no kora no ma ne ho ye wakono same gemfi onye bibia he has not done anything wrong and I will ask him say he should never stop being a giver we should be take care of him na politics na ye wo krum ha no ye ne say akobi kan asem fa NDC ho enti NDC ni bi ehu na ma ne ni agro na o kan asem fa NDC wunim ono no tu no wunim omo relationship John Mahama ko Easter okọ no te say Akufo-Addo aba John Mahama as president of Ghana ne tu ne convoy ko Akufo-Addo anamboa enya Akufo-Addo na ba as president aba me ko hwe no because ebia
business forum
ebia no yes ebia on politics no they do not agree but they have a personal relationship me wu ekosoro eba from Samuel will be my friend he will be my brother I don't care what you think Eduji Tamakro menene boss ewo issue Eduji will never stop being my friend it will never change Justice Sremsai oya madamfo ne boss only deputy attorney he is my friend it will never change you can't change anything John Mahama is my friend my brother my boss my everything opa onko position there obeba power or vice president of Ghana he was my friend he's still my friend it won't change into who as party ni no men green say agradaa no the NDC for atamenti no NDC ni bia ne ya dan for what are you talking who food soldier no ma me catch ro food soldier for na mugu no mo te ho ye food soldier na mo kasa bebre omu di eja mo NDC ni MPP omu ye ba ku omu na fofo wom enti gwen wo ho what you say think about yourself
na abuhwe no ene ebusa na se na nse wo didi nkomo bi se eye current eye president John Dramani Mahama ekura koma papa obetimi di aboa eye ONEGHANA na ono na ebusa na se sa koma papa no da be no hu ye afi ni wo hunu anase oni hunu dada na onimini dada se oman panyin eye na eye president John Dramani Mahama ekura koma papa de eye den ena wo yi ni ma ye ena okodi eye ex president Nana Arodankwa Akufo-Addo echi abra na ono A+ no enim se eye current president John Dramani Mahama ene betimi abo eye ONEGHANA na emumu oyi no emaye abusuya anu yesu a ode baye eni ehwe video no emra sisiye
me the way the sesia wo kasa o mampanyini oye wadamfo me hu say wo call about 8 days ago wo call channel 1 interview wo kasa na wo kasa o His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Yeah.
The way I was start say is he is a solid, man or you're brilliant. Now out of that conversation, you were so in love with the former president, Nana Ekuonaba, and see what campaign emano. Now dear me person me bisa said during that time or na o campaign man another man be president didn't you see those qualities now in President Mahama? Auntie Mawanka say so let me support him.
Question we ma answer the
me name say one answer.
Also Akufo-Addo be catch and said he was going to do better.
Okay.
Mahama was doing well and Akufo-Addo said he was going to do better and he explained to us and he convinced us. What is wrong with expecting better? But he didn't give us the better that we were expecting.
When you say
and no say Akufo-Addo anya hwe.
Okay.
Hwe nipa ba ko a me respecting the Dr. Duchum, former education minister. oba aban mu no o say NDC 4 year e-blocks but yen ye be STEM centers e-blocks no na eyewu o say NDC 4 year e-blocks but e-blocks no mo ye no bebi o ha ewo akire dodo enti yen ye be improve no ye the burden burden e be kan onka say NDC 4 anya hwe the be tran opinion ka say MPP 4 o man anya hwe a flower pot interchange say omo bae no na John Mahama start and omo ye then they continued John Mahama bae e wini bakwan he didn't come and stop it and that's one of the achievements that John Mahama kwan we free in his 120 days
so mon complete here
yeah but o say ye nyinya ni me and say aban bi ba na aban bi yedwuma na eje egu ho but go and look at the work the government has ensured that that work must go on aban ye continue and that is what we are looking for. Akufo-Addo, we are expecting him to continue a lot of things and to do better. We didn't get that. He came and removed Charlotte Osei. We are not happy with it. We didn't expect him to do that. He came and removed Domlobo. We didn't expect him to do that. There are so many things that went on that we didn't expect him to do. I was not the only person. Many Ghanaians agree that Akufo-Addo didn't live up to their expectation. They didn't say Akufo-Addo didn't do anything.
Which are we one of them?
Of course, and that was what reflected in the last election. Percentage no munya. So majority of the people now John Mahama has the goodwill, and we expect that he should do onye. Look at the city; it is doing very well. We hope that it will do better.
Bibi no man implement it, and as you betimi dey akwa share a trade war between America and China.
Dum so de John Mahama and that 3 days here no kofa free Djibouti no the back room.
Me bisa was say din komo.
Say we are ken opposition for say na yen ye to hoko na dum so de yen mo na mo ye to hoko e. And the John Mahama na de buy. Papa de and the modia. Nya yen de John Mahama de buy. John Mahama ba no okuta dum so briefcase. Mwan kasa mo bra na mo bo 8 years no na e de dum so no aba sesi. Enti no sidi no eye ade papa aban the goodwill that aban no Abino were very goodwill. What the Abino must do, say, I will say Abino make sure say, putting in measures at least a bit reduce it, they're not sustaining for a certain period. Because here the credit in a mamu. When saying I yet here, a sign for 17, hey, yeah, the Bemamo, live and colored. What I say, and you need to try. Ain't no Abina yard, Abina yard. A Juma Akufo-Addo starts so abina air twaso. This is how a country must be run. Where schools be under MPP. OMCC here. Where cluster of schools now is legal. Underbridge.
Yeah.
Right or no? I didn't say when I school. Ye sa area whole school ni na dia basa dia no. It's so beautiful. Me who say ukwa abrochire say in a school tier. Enti nana do yen say bia mechiu. And you may be but you made a lot of mistakes because you were a human being. And that's the same thing we saw with John Mahama's first term. John Mahama's first term was making mistakes. Or the experience or the aba. And you can tell that this country, as will be